In this lesson, we will walk through the answer to the optional volume mesh test problem, which uses the final answer from the previous meshing optional test problem on exporting, or you could use your end file as well. In this optional test problem was to create an FE volume mesh and then export that and select portions of the mesh. So now that we have this remesh surface, I can put that into a volume mesh. So it looks pretty much the same, but if I type X, I have that volume mesh you can see as opposed to just the remesh, which is those triangles on the surface. And then I have a growth rate of 2. I could have done 1.2 like I had done for the remesh as well. And then I have my FE volume mesh. So depending on what you're using this for, you can do geometric order of linear or quadratic. I used quadratic for this. And then we could export this. If we wanted to export this out or if we wanted to run a simulation, we have that as well.